Imagine waking up every morning, knowing that your bills are already taken care of, with enough money left over for your hobbies, travel, or whatever you fancy. This isn't a fantasy, but a reality for those who have tapped into the power of passive income. It's about generating wealth without being actively involved. Unlike active income, where you trade your time for money, passive income flows in even while you're sleeping or lounging on a sunny beach. The key to this financial nirvana? Passive income streams. One of the most tried and true methods of generating passive income is through dividend investing. Imagine a tree that bears fruit. You plant the seed, nurture it, and over time, it grows and starts to bear fruit. Now, you didn't have to go out and pluck the fruit. It came to you. That in essence is what dividend investing is all about. When you purchase shares in a company, you essentially become a part owner of that business. As a part owner, you are entitled to a piece of the company's profits. These profits are often distributed to shareholders in the form of dividends. It's like the fruit that the tree bears, a reward for your investment. Now let's talk about the magic of reinvesting these dividends. When you take the dividends you've received and use them to buy more shares, you're essentially planting more trees. Over time, these trees will bear their own fruit, leading to even more dividends. It's a cycle that, over time, can result in a substantial increase in your wealth. But how do you know which companies are likely to pay dividends? Typically, established companies with a history of profitability are the ones that regularly distribute dividends. These companies might not be the flashy, headline-grabbing businesses, but rather, they're often the steady, reliable performers. They're the trees that consistently bear fruit, year after year. So what's the takeaway here? Dividend investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about patience, consistency, and long-term growth. It's about planting a seed, nurturing it, and enjoying the fruit that it bears. Dividend investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth, providing you with a steady stream of income that grows over time. So, if you're looking to create a passive income stream that requires minimal effort on your part, dividend investing could be the way to go. Just remember, every tree starts with a single seed. Happy investing. Another proven method for generating passive income is investing in rental properties. This strategy taps into the basic human need for shelter, turning it into a steady source of income. But what makes rental properties an attractive income stream? Firstly, rental properties offer potential for a consistent income. Rent checks can provide a regular and predictable revenue stream. This can be particularly beneficial during economic downturns, when other forms of investment might be volatile. Secondly, there are notable tax benefits with rental properties. In many countries, property owners can deduct mortgage interest, property taxes, operating expenses, and even depreciation from their taxable income. This can significantly reduce your tax burden and boost your overall returns. Thirdly, rental properties can appreciate in value over time. While this is not guaranteed, historical data shows that real estate generally increases in value in the long run. This means that you could potentially sell your property for a profit in the future. However, like any investment, rental properties come with their own set of challenges. Dealing with tenants can sometimes be tricky. You may encounter late payments, property damage, or disputes that need to be resolved. Maintenance issues are another common challenge. As a landlord, you are responsible for keeping the property in livable condition. This can involve unexpected costs and time-consuming repairs. Moreover, investing in rental properties requires significant upfront capital. Not everyone has the financial means to purchase a property outright, which is why some investors choose to finance their rental properties with a mortgage. This, however, can add an additional layer of risk to the investment. Despite these challenges, rental properties can provide a consistent income stream and long-term financial security. They offer a tangible asset that can generate income, appreciate in value, and potentially provide tax benefits. But as with any investment, it's crucial to do your homework, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. Despite the challenges, rental properties can provide a consistent income stream and long-term financial security. They serve as a solid stepping stone on the path to financial freedom. In the digital age, online businesses offer a new and exciting avenue for passive income. The internet has revolutionized the way we work and play, and it's also reshaped the landscape of income generation. Among the myriad of opportunities it presents, online businesses stand out as a promising vehicle for passive income. Let's consider a few types of online businesses that can potentially be your ticket to financial freedom. Firstly, there's blogging. Now, you might think blogging is just a hobby, but it can be so much more. By creating engaging content and building an audience, bloggers can monetize their platforms through advertising, sponsorships, and even their own products. However, it's crucial to remember that blogging requires consistent effort, creativity, and patience to cultivate a loyal readership. Next, we have affiliate marketing. This involves promoting a company's products or services on your website or social media platforms. For every sale made through your referral link, you earn a commission. The key to success in affiliate marketing is choosing the right products to promote and building trust with your audience. But be aware, it may take time to see substantial returns. Another avenue is selling digital products. These can range from ebooks and online courses to software and music. The beauty of digital products is that they can be created once and sold indefinitely, providing a truly passive stream of income. However, creating a high-quality digital product requires specialized knowledge and skills, and marketing it effectively can be challenging. Lastly, let's not forget about dropshipping, a method where you sell products directly from the manufacturer without ever handling the inventory. It's a low-risk business model that can be highly profitable if managed well. However, dealing with suppliers and customer service can sometimes be a headache. Each of these online business models has its own set of advantages and potential challenges. It's essential to do thorough research and consider your interests, skills, and resources before diving in. With effort, creativity, and a little bit of luck, an online business can become a lucrative source of passive income. So are you ready to explore this digital frontier? While each of these income streams can be profitable, the key to true financial freedom is diversification. Just as a well-balanced diet is essential for good health, a well-diversified passive income portfolio is crucial for robust financial health. Why is diversification so important? Well, it's the financial equivalent of not putting all your eggs in one basket. When you diversify, you spread your investments across various income streams. This strategy can provide a safety net, shielding you from the volatility of a single income source. Take a moment to imagine this. You've invested all your resources in dividend stocks, but then the stock market crashes. If that's your only income stream, you're left high and dry. But if you have rental properties or an online business as well, your financial ship stays afloat. Diversification also opens the door to increased income. Different passive income streams can peak at different times, providing a steady flow of income. For instance, while the stock market might see a downturn, your online business might be booming, or your rental properties might be earning steadily. Not only does diversification minimize risk, but it also maximizes opportunities. It allows you to capitalize on the strengths and offset the weaknesses of each income stream, thereby increasing your overall earnings. By diversifying your income streams, you can create a financial safety net and maximize your earning potential. After all, financial freedom isn't just about making money, it's about smartly managing and multiplying it. Achieving financial freedom through passive income is not a dream but a journey. This journey, as we have explored, can branch off into myriad paths. From the steady rhythm of dividend investing, the tangible rewards of rental properties, to the dynamic realm of online businesses, each avenue holds its unique allure and potential. The beauty of these income streams lies in their diversity. They offer the ability to construct a portfolio as unique as the individual, tailored to personal interests, skills, and financial goals. This diversity not only provides a safety net, but also opens the door to exponential growth and financial independence. Yet, it is essential to remember that like any journey, it requires patience, diligence, and continuous learning. The path to financial freedom is not a sprint, but a marathon. Start your journey towards financial freedom today. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the word about the power of passive income.